name is Tay, and this is my Christmas video where I build this thing, and also I name my top 5 Nendoroids of 2019. First of all, this thing is my Nendoroid box fort. You might have seen some figure boxes forts before, and I always wanted to build one. I've been collecting for many years, and the number of boxes kept growing. So right now I ran out of free space for them. And when I asked my followers on Instagram what should I do with all the boxes, most of them said that I should build a box fort. And I already had this idea, but I didn't have place for this. But anyway, Christmas is known to be the holiday when all the wishes come true, so I decided why not build a fort on Christmas, for my wish to come true and for you to be entertained. I filmed the whole process of building the fort, and you will see it in the end of this video. I had fun doing it, and now it will be easier to get rid of all these boxes. But for now, let's try something traditional for an end of a year. Like deciding on top of something in the ending year. For me, of course, it will be Nendoroids. In 2019, I acquired 22 new Nendoroids. Well, new for me, because some of them are old and pre-owned. But anyway, it's 22 really great, nice Nendoroids. If I'm not sure that I need a Nendoroid, I won't buy it, so I won't say that there is top 5 of the worst Nendoroids. Maybe except for Todoroki, but that's a whole other story. I'll start with the 5th place, and it's Chio-chan. I find Chio-chan hilarious. I really liked her anime. I am going to read her manga. The anime was funny, hilarious, and I still want my Manana-chan Nendoroid. Nobody announced it, but if you watched the show, I know you wanna her too. Also, I saw some pages from the manga, and the art is really nice. I know that the mangaka used to be a hentai artist, and it shows, and I liked. Isn't she hilarious? The 4th place is taken by Moeta. She is better known as Chaos Sensei, and also it's important that she comes with Nyaos Sensei. I like Moeta Nendoroid for her cuteness, her faceplates, and Nyaos Sensei. I do recommend her anime series, especially for artists. I know some artists who watched it and just were screaming how real this is. Not in aspects of reality like IRL, but from the point of view of emotions. But if you are not an artist, it's still just cute and funny and so good. I'm sad that this anime series won't be getting any more Nendoroids. Even though all the characters may seem generic, they are all nice, interesting, and also deserving Nendoroids. All in all, Moeta is a great Nendo. I'm hoping to make more photos of her, as well as with Chio-chan. The 3rd one is Hatoba Tsugu. To be honest, I can't believe I didn't pre-order Hatoba. I bought her a month after the release day, and I'm happy she was still in stock. She doesn't come with some nice faceplates or many accessories, but just her appearance is so nice and so interesting that pretty much any photo with her in it will have some atmosphere, some mood, and it's interesting to discover how much it can change just because of her. I hope that we will never know all the mysteries about her character, because it suits her. So yeah, just for aesthetics and cute look, I give her the 3rd place. It's well deserved, and I really want to make more photos of her. The 4th Nendoroid is not a girl, and not even a boy, it's Danbo. There are many things that I may tell you about Danbo Nendoroid, but I won't. Because right now I'm sure that you already guessed who's the number 1 in my top 5. And of course, it's Yotsuba. I still have to read further than the 3rd volume of Yotsuba To, but you can't film 2 videos about these guys, travel with them to another country, and not to fall in love with them. These Nendoroids are great. They're all the Nendoroids have to be. They're cute, they're fun to play. Yosuba has many different faceplates, suitable for many different situations. Danbo itself has a presence of its own, pretty much like Hatobotsugu's, which I do like. And all in all, these two are really great. I'm happy that we have Nendoroids of them, and I hope we will get some nice surprise like them in the coming year. And yeah, coming year. This year I had 22 Nendoroids, and it feels like not a lot. And I'm happy that it is like this, because I need money and I want to eat. And for some time, it seemed to me that 2020 will be easier for me. There will be much less pre-orders, but right now I counted them and there are almost 20 of them. And it's only for the first part of 2020. I'm still waiting for the pre-orders of Asui Tsuyu and Kaoru Nagisa, so there will be 2 more for sure. After that there will be no announced Nendoroids that I want. But we will have one fest in a month. I'm not sure what to expect. To be honest, I don't want anything. Maybe I want some characters from the lines Good Smile Company already started on, like Norman or Ray from The Promised Neverland. But I don't want anything new. And yet, if there will be something interesting, I'm sure that I will take it. Anyway, I hope you will have a nice year. I wish for your fandoms to have more merchandise that you want and can afford. I wish for you to be creative and to love your hobby. Also, take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay hydrated. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. It's been Tyson Figures, I'm Tay. It's been my honor to have all of you watching my videos. I've been doing it this whole year. I'm planning to do more. So stay tuned. Thank you again, and bye!